I forgot the rest of them in Water Hunt, so I decided to put it there in the Drua slides. Sorry about my voice. But anyways, here we go. Forgot the rest of them in Water Hunt. Here we go. The Roadrunner, Cinnamon Bear, Growler Bear, Frilled Lizard, the Bearded Dragon, Kodiak Bear, the Golden Pheasant, the Red Wolf, the Black Wolf, Brown Bear, the Black Vulture, Simon Brown Bear, and the Tian Shan Bear, stands for the Himalayan Brown Bear. These are 14, 14 creatures from the Water Hunt that I just missed. Or maybe I just forgot them. This might be the shortest video of all time. Okay? So this is all of it. All of the Water Hunt characters. So I hope you enjoy this. Okay, bye bye. Sure. Yeah, about this is a short video. It's not just another video. Okay, bye bye.